Sick and tired of the NVRTC Built-in 64 DLL crash stopping your play? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. Let's repair the link between your engine and hardware right now.
Before we get into the manual guide for NVRTC Built-in 64, you can try the suggested utility for improving overall system health. This is the NVRTC Built-in 64 101, the NVRTC Built-in Definitions Library. It houses the unmanaged headers and intrinsic manifests, required for the runtime compiler to link localized CUDA kernels to hardware-level data links.
Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue.
NVRTC Built-in 64 101 is a critical dependency for games and graphics-heavy apps. I suggest installing the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to restore your system's legacy DirectX routines, followed by a GPU driver update to handle any modern compute or OpenGL requirements.
In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources.
A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including NVRTC Built-in 64. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running.
Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. Since the reboot didn't fix the graphics glitch, we need to perform a clean handshake between your driver and the OS, so you should use Display Driver Uninstaller to purge your current GPU software. After the cleanup is finished, download the newest drivers from NVIDIA or AMD to ensure that your DLL file is properly integrated into the graphics stack. Why are we doing this? Well, standard updates often fail to clear deep-level registry conflicts, and this deep clean removes those barriers to allow for a successful file sync. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity.
The version of NVRTC Built-in 64 DLL found on most download sites is often compiled for different hardware, which can cause your CPU to work harder or crash.
For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below.
Streamline background processes by reviewing the maintenance utility linked below for NVRTC Built-in 64. If this diagnostic helped you resolve NVRTC Built-in 64 error, please like the video and subscribe for more technical insights and system stability tips.